All right, we are looking at the possibility for some severe weather to push into the forecast area by late tonight into tomorrow morning. When I say late tonight, what I mean by that is by after 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. Much of the day today will be dry. We got the clouds in place right now. They'll thin out, and they're already starting to do that. And so we'll get a little bit of sunshine poking through as we head through the day. It'll be off and on. It'll be a fight between the sun and the clouds. Not like yesterday where we had brilliant sunshine all around with just a few high, thin clouds. Today will be a mix of sun and clouds, at times appearing mostly cloudy. 67 degrees by noon, on our way to 75 for your afternoon high, dropping back down to 72 degrees by 7 o'clock tonight. Still dry. Again, it won't be until after 10 or 11 o'clock that we'll see that rain move in. That's where the rain is right now. You can see it over toward parts of Arkansas, into northwestern portions of Louisiana, down into eastern Texas, where we have some severe thunderstorm warnings in effect with this. We got tornado watches along this line as well. Expecting this line of storms to intensify a bit as it moves into especially southern portions of Mississippi this afternoon. Look at this, a rare level 4 threat, a moderate threat for severe weather, which means long track tornadoes are possible in this area from Louisiana over toward, well, we say even into western portions of Alabama there. You got the level 3 threat around that, and then a level 2 threat and level 1 threat almost extends into our state, in fact into the south central portions of the state. The light green over us just means for today a general threat for thunderstorms, but that'll be later tonight. Now tomorrow morning is where some of those could intensify on us a bit. Now we're not expecting a huge outbreak here. We're not expecting a widespread severe weather, but isolated severe thunderstorms are certainly possible. You notice the level 1 threat includes Atlanta just to the northwest. Just south of Atlanta, southeast is where we have that level 2 threat. What does that mean? Heavy rain with some of those thunderstorms. Strong winds may be up to about 60 miles per hour in a few of those thunderstorms, and we cannot rule out a brief tornado around here. Now we'll have a few, but possibly a few, but not like what we're going to see out to the west. You'll be hearing about those tornadoes, and we already heard about at least 10 touching down in parts of Texas. We won't have that kind of an outbreak, but certainly we have to be weather ready, at least if any happen to pop up in the area. Today, a bit of a calm before the storm. We'll have that mix of sun and clouds as we head through the afternoon. Here comes that rain. It won't be until, again, after 10 o'clock that we'll see that rain begin to push in. Will be heavy at times, so some of that may wake you up through the overnight, as we'll have it in the wee hours of the morning. By the time you're waking up on Wednesday morning, we will have some scattered showers and thunderstorms around. Here we are by 7 o'clock. We're still dealing with it. Again, a few embedded thunderstorms here and there. We'll be watching if any of those happen to have any rotation in them or happen to turn severe. Moves to the east of us by mid-morning and into the afternoon. We'll gradually begin to clear it out. In fact, behind that front, temperatures will cool down a bit. So today we go from 75 for the high to 72 for tomorrow, with an 80% chance of that rain, mainly during your morning commute. The afternoon will clear it out. We'll get the sunshine back in here somewhat for Thursday and into Friday. Temperatures a little bit cooler as well, down to the low 60s by Friday, and we'll hold on to that as we head into the upcoming weekend, warming back up to the 70s by early next week.